God has a beautiful plan for your life. Part na sa message na pwede nato makuha from the Christmas stories na naiplano si Lord sa atong kinabuhi. Dili ta aksidente lang. Wala man kugi plano ni Papa Mama. Nabuntis wala no si Mama. Di ganito gusto og lalaki or babae or whatever or anak. God has planned for you. God desires you, and God is happy that you were born, and God has a beautiful plan for your life. Most of us are not aware of that. Pero when you look at the gospel stories, makita di mo nga, dati plano si Lord, no? Dili di aksidente ang mga nagapanghitabo, di ay random lang. Sometimes we don't expect how God works in our lives. His actions sometimes come unexpectedly. It can come in ways very different than what we expected, but it is always beautiful. Okay, so si Jose and si Maria, they did not know that. They were just ordinary teenagers, but they loved God and honored God and fulfill ang plano ni Lord sa ilaha. I like to encourage you. You may not think anything of yourself. You may not think na God can do great things in your life. Ordinary lang kaay ka, di ka gani mapansin in the crowd. Dili ka pilion siguro kung naipilion or whatever. But God has a plan, and this beautiful plan will be fulfilled in your life as you allow Him to. Huwag mong ismalin ang sarili mo. Mahalin mo lang si Lord, sundin mo lang si Lord, may gagawin si Lord sa buhay mo, may mangyayaring maganda sa buhay mo when you open your heart and allow God to work.